Dr. Olson here again.
Dr. Matt.
So today we are explaining some of the very unique adjustments that we do in our office. One of the toughest area of the back to adjust is the upper back because of people sitting on a computer all day and getting really crappy posture. So we have with you today the greatest adjustment of all. It's called the wedgie. And these are good wedgies. And so let's demonstrate how this goes. Alrighty? Placing the wedge behind the upper back area, we're going to be able to apply a better angle on that really tough to adjust area that you can't get any other way. So literally, you can have just the patient do this. All they do is come down in here over the wedge, and voila, an awesome wedgie.
Awesome.